Have you ever wondered how you can watch a video from a server in another country on your phone? That's the magic of the internet. It's a vast network that connects computers and devices all over the world, allowing them to talk to each other and share information, like a giant web linking billions of phones, laptops, and more. The internet has a fascinating history. It began in the 1960s as a project to connect computers at different universities and research centers. This allowed scientists to share their work and collaborate more easily. Over time, this network expanded, and by the 1990s, it became accessible to the general public, evolving into the internet we use today. So how does the internet actually work? It's all about servers and clients. Servers are powerful computers that store stuff, like websites or videos. Clients are the devices you use, like your phone or laptop, that ask for that stuff. When you type a website address, your device is basically saying, "Hey server, send me that web page." For all these devices to talk to each other, they need rules, called protocols. The most important one is TCP/IP, which stands for Transmission Control Protocol/Internet Protocol. Think of it like the language of the internet. It breaks data into tiny packets and makes sure they get where they're going. Every device on the internet has its own IP address, a unique number, like a postal address for your house. But numbers are tricky to remember, right? So we use domain names, like Google.com, which are friendlier. When you type a domain name, it gets translated into the IP address behind the scenes. When you send something online, like an email, it doesn't travel in one piece. It's chopped into small packets that take different routes across the internet. Devices called routers act like traffic cops, directing them to the right place. Once they arrive, the packets are put back together into the original message. You might hear Internet and World Wide Web used interchangeably, but they're different. The Internet is the whole network, while the World Wide Web is just one part, a huge collection of websites and pages. You visit them using a web browser, like Chrome or Firefox. The Internet isn't just about websites. It powers tons of other cool stuff. Email lets us send messages instantly around the world. File transfers help us share big files, like photos. And streaming lets us watch movies or listen to music without downloading them first. The internet is awesome, but it has risks too. To stay safe, use strong passwords, nothing like 1234. Don't share personal info, like your address, with strangers online. And keep antivirus software on your device, it's like a shield against bad stuff like viruses. The internet is awesome, but it has risks too. To stay safe, use strong passwords, nothing like 1234. Don't share personal info, like your address, with strangers online. And keep antivirus software on your device, it's like a shield against bad stuff like viruses. The internet has changed everything. It's made communication instant, think video calls with friends far away. It's given us access to endless info with a few clicks. And it's transformed shopping, you can buy almost anything online now, from clothes to groceries.